promised you some fried mushrooms and some deep fried ice cream. We're going to start out with our mushrooms. We're going to make a little batter here to dip them in. We have some flour, some Parmesan cheese, some rice wine vinegar, and a little olive oil. And we're going to add a little water. We'll just see how this goes. There we go. We have a nice thick batter with the cheese, the flour. We're going to let that sit for a minute. Meanwhile, we're going to take a paper bag. We're going to take our mushrooms that have been marinating. They've been marinating in some vinegar and oil, just to get them a little wet. Now we're going to add some spices. Some onion salt, some 5-spice Chinese spices, some parsley, some ground ginger, some savory, and again some Parmesan cheese. We're going to shake these up. Okay, now we're going to take them and we're going to put them in the batter. Well, that should do us for a little bit here. We're going to put each one of these in the batter, and then we're going to put it on a brochette. We don't want them thickly coated with batter because this batter has cheese in it. We don't want a whole lot on there. We just want some to add a little crispness to the mushrooms. We're going to separate them a little bit. We're going to put them in our pot here. Now we're going to lower this gently into the hot oil because we don't want it to flare up on us. We're also at temperature, so we're going to turn it off. Now, when we go to lift them out, we're going to use this because we don't want to get spattered with oil.